Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Job Aspirant. Welcome to PKB channel. In today's video, we'll discuss about advertisement for recruitment on 638 posts of officers of different category and grade in 35 district central cooperative banks of Madhya Pradesh. In this video, first we'll see the details of the vacant posts and what is the last date of submission of online application, how much amount of application fee we should pay, how much pay scale they will provide for the post, what is the structure of examination will be seen in this video. So before giving the details about the job, subscribe to our channel for more job updates. Coming to the video, so opening date of online application is 10/3/2023. Last date of submission of online application is 9/4/2023. Amount of application fee is rupees 500 for general OBC EW and 250 rupees for SC ST PH candidate. 18% GST will be charged additionally. Note, fees submitted is not refundable. So about online examination conduction date will be published on the bank website, and date of downloading the hall tickets or call letters for online examination around 7 days before examination date they will provide in the website. Date of declaration of result for online written exam will be published on the bank website. Date of downloading call letters for interview will be published on bank website. Coming to the details of vacant posts, nearly 13 posts are available. So total number of posts available is 638. Unreserved open is 335. Unreserved female is 45. 39 posts are available for SC open candidate. 10 posts are available for SC female candidates. 66 posts are available for SC open candidates. 26 posts are available for male ST candidates. 68 posts are available for OBC open category, and 21 posts are for EW open candidates, 1 for EWS female candidate. PH 1 post is available for unreserved, and for SC PH 4 posts are available. Coming to essential education qualification and preferences, for computer programmer, senior management grade 2 BE B.tech in computer science or MCA with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade from any recognized university, and preference will be given for the candidate having work experience from any RBI licensed bank. Financial analyst senior management grade 2 CA ICWA or MBA finance with 2 years regular course from any government recognized university along with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade. Preference will be given for the candidate having work experience from any RBI licensed bank. Marketing officer senior management grade 2 MBA marketing with 2 years regular course from any government recognized university along with minimum 60% of marks or equivalent grade. Preference will be given for a candidate having work experience from any RBI licensed bank. Internal auditor senior management grade 2 CA or ICWA or MBA finance with 2 years regular course from any government recognized university along with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade. Preference will be given for the candidate having work experience from any RBI licensed bank. Bank manager middle management grade 1 MBA finance with 2 years regular course from any government recognized university along with officer superintendent middle management grade 1 MBA finance with 2 years regular course from any government recognized university along with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade. Internal inspector MBA finance with 2 years regular course from any government recognized university along with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade. Branch inspector MBA finance with 2 years regular course from any government recognized university along with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade. Assistant chief supervisor middle management grade 2 MBA finance with 2 years regular course from any government recognized university along with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade, or MCom with statistics as one subject passed with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade. Sub engineer civil management middle management grade 2 degree in civil from any recognized university. Computer programmer 2 middle management grade 2 degree in computer science information technology from any recognized university. Accountant middle management grade 2 MBA finance with 2 years a regular course from any government recognized university along with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade or M.Com with statistics, one subject passed with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade. Statistical officer, middle management grade 2, MBA finance with 2 years regular course from any government recognized university along with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade, or M.Com with statistics as one subject passed with minimum 60% marks or equivalent grade. So these are the essential education qualifications and also preferences given for the 13 posts. Coming to the pay scale they offer, that is 7th pay scale for computer programmer, financial analyst, marketing officer, internal auditor, senior management grade 2. Pay scale will be 32,700 to 1,35,100. Branch manager, branch inspector, internal inspector and office superintendent, middle management grade 1. Pay scale will be 36,200 to 1,14,800. Assistant chief supervisor, sub engineer, statistical office, accountant and a computer programmer, middle management grade 2. Pay scale will be 32,800, 1,03,600. In addition to above pay scale, dearness allowances, other allowances as per prevailing grade for selected DCCB will be paid. Pay scale 6th also they will pay. That is computer programmer, financial analysis, marketing officer, internal auditor, senior management grade 2. Pay scale will be 9,300 to 34,800. Branch manager, branch inspector, internal inspector and office superintendent, middle management grade 1. Pay scale will be 9,300 to 34,800. Assistant supervisor, sub engineer, statistical officer, computer programmer 2 and accountant, middle management grade 2. Pay scale will be 9,300 to 34,800. In addition to the above pay scale, dearness allowances and other allowances as prevailing rates of selected DCCB will be paid. So this is the pay scale provided for different category posts. Coming to the structure of examination to be conducted online will be as follows. Online examination for following posts. Name of the test not in sequence. That is professional knowledge. Number of questions 40. Maximum marks 40. Version will be English and Hindi. So time allotted is 30 minutes. Reasoning number of questions 40. Maximum marks 40. Available in English and Hindi. Time allotted for test is 30 minutes. English language test. Number of questions 40. Maximum marks 40. Time available is 30 minutes. In general awareness test, number of questions available is 40. Maximum marks we can get is 40. Time allotted is 20 minutes. Quantitative aptitude test, number of questions available is 40. Maximum marks is 40. Time allotted is 30 minutes. Totally 200 questions are available. 200 marks, maximum marks we can get is 200. Time allotted for the test is 140 minutes. In this online test, negative marks also there. For every wrong answer, 0.25 marks shall be deducted. In the online examination, the question paper shall be of objective type, multiple choice providing 5 alternatives as answers. The question paper shall be in both English and Hindi. Job notification link, job online application link available in description. For more job updates, subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video to the needy job aspirants.